Hey y'all.
Welcome back to the flip side.
It is so cold out here, so we're gonna make this quick. We are on site of another investor's project. We are helping a fellow investor with their flip, trying to help them gather the team, come up with the plan and things like that. Little hiccup today, demo was supposed to be today, and my demo guys aren't here. And yeah, we're trying to figure that out. I'm texting, I'm calling. Contractor life, you know, they can be unpredictable sometimes. So that's what we're doing now.
But the show must go on.
Okay. Go ahead. Hello. Hey, I'm here at the house. Are y'all not starting today? They just called me and said they're a few minutes away, but they were supposed to start at 6 o'clock. Typical with contractors, sometimes things can be unpredictable. But we are here helping him. He's flipped one or two other houses, and then he has a few rentals. His previous flips, you know, they didn't go like as well as he, you know, wanted them to go. But he called me and was like, hey, can you help me out? I love your design. So I was like, yeah, let's do it. So this is where we are today.
Even though we're not the ones who purchased the house, she's fully GCing the whole project. Take a look at how rough it is now. Next time we'll have an update and you'll see progress. But it's so cold, we're gonna get out of here and get out of the way.
All right, y'all, stay tuned. Can't wait to show y'all the before and after on this one.
New OSB for the siding. That pretty lady right there poking her head out. Don't want to be on camera apparently.
I keep running into live wire over and over.
Oh no. So we have a new OSB subfloor in. Yeah, you always assume they're live. Completely gut down to the studs now. So the kitchen is very, very small. Jay's already gonna open up all of these posts here in the middle. We can get rid of that cast iron post as well. In the kitchen, cabinets over here, range, microwave overhead right there, refrigerator right here. And this is gonna be the island with the dishwasher in it. We're gonna move the laundry room into this first closet. So, no, it's three closets. These are three closets.
Hall closet. That's the only hall closet.
Yeah, that's why I was saying we should put the shelves here because they don't have any more storage. So the laundry stackable unit is gonna go here. Then the next two bedroom closets will go there. Since we have the space, we're gonna put some shelves on the living room side of this post. So we'll still keep a little bit of wall here. All the rest of it is gone. As you can see today, we're getting the wiring put in. HVAC's already put in. Today I have a old school cast iron tub that my demo team didn't feel comfortable getting out because it's a lot of work. That's solid. So we're gonna be here for a while. Yeah, that was hard work. I'm tired. Done. Let me catch my breath. See this? This is a danger. I could be fried. Luckily the power is not on, but you ever see one of these, you always treat it like it's a live wire, like it's hot. So let me get away from this danger zone. Thanks for tuning in.
See you on the flip side.
Yeah.
One flip.
I did too.
You see us flip homes from
I did too. You tried to do three.
You don't see it now, just give it time. We fix homes and we see you on the flip side. Yeah, just give it time. We fix homes and we see you on the flip side.